today I will be doing a fall inspired Princess Polly try on clothing haul for you all. I'm so excited to be collaborating with Princess Polly. I have loved their brand for so long. I wanted to thank Princess Polly for sponsoring this video, and I have a discount code for you all to use. My code is ADLIN20, that is ADLIN20 to get 20% off site-wide. Princess Polly also offers free shipping on all US orders $50 or more since they ship within the US, and they also offer AfterPay and ShopPay to all US customers, so make sure to check out all those amazing features while you are browsing. I'm so excited. I think one of my biggest things this year is creating a minimal capsule wardrobe. I know I've talked about that before, but I think it is the perfect way to elevate your style and create so much versatility without having an overwhelming amount of pieces that you don't even get a ton of use out of. I cannot wait to show you all the pieces that I chose out, so let's get started. I laid down and completely forgot I was filming, so I've just been sitting for 2 hours. But the first item I got is the Alfalfa mini dress in gray stripe. I was obsessed. Like, when I saw it online, it's not my usual style. Granted, my usual style, I guess, during college was just, I was leaning towards more coverage, longer skirts, less fitted. And so when I saw this, I absolutely fell in love with it. It fits beautifully. I think it is such a flattering dress. I love the vertical stripes, and the way it flares out, I think, just accentuates curves in the right places. So flattering. High neck, high back. It's a zip, and then you can tie it in the back. It's kind of fitted on top and then flares out, and I just think the style is beautiful. When I showed my mom, she was like, it looks like you're going to the Hamptons. Never been, but I do think it is such a classy dress. There's so many ways to wear it out. You could dress it up for colder weather with some tights and booties rather than just doing like sandals and heels. But I absolutely love this dress, and I would definitely recommend I wear it on my birthday, and I'm obsessed. Next, I got the Delinia longline vest top in black. I hope I pronounced that correctly. It is this sleeveless, once again, high neck top. It's buttoned down, fitted, and there's like a tie in the back to, again, help cinch it at that waist, help accentuate curves, which I think is a must-have because it just looks so flattering, looks almost like it's tailored to you. What I really like about this top is if you have a bustier chest, there is like a little clasp, so it's not one of the buttons, but it helps secure it to make sure that the top stays together in between the buttons, like right around the largest area of your chest. So I absolutely love this top. I think that there are so many cute ways to wear it. Again, elevating that, perfect for fall. I love the dark colors, and like with a coat, with a jacket, with a mini skirt and tights, or with jeans, there's so many different ways to wear it, and I definitely think this is perfect for a little capsule wardrobe. When I saw it, I was like, this once again is not my typical style, but I knew I had to get it, so I would definitely recommend this one. So the next two items that I got are separate. The colors are a little different, but it's honestly not noticeable if you're not paying attention the way I am. I saw this, I wanted like this cute low-rise mini denim skirt, and I wanted like a top that would kind of match it for your concert I'm going to. And so when I saw these two pieces, I was like, okay, like I'll try doing them together, like let's see how that could go. And I'm actually obsessed. So the skirt is the Faya Lowrise denim skirt in blue. It's just this cute little mini skirt. I feel like the quality is so thick and comfortable. There's two buttons and a zipper, which I love. And the back has this like little cross. I feel like that always looks so flattering. I wanted to upsize on this so I could make it more low rise. But what really got me is pairing it with the Yukio top in mid wash. It's like this little denim halter, and it is adorable. It's a button down halter top that you can tie. It has a pretty high back, which I feel like is very supportive and not as, I think a lot of my other denim tops are pretty skimpy, in the sense that there's just not much cloth. Definitely feels very out there. So this is obviously still very much a going out top, but I feel like there's just more coverage that you feel more comfortable in it. It accentuates the girls. Such a flattering top, another must have from me. And they look so cute together. My mom was obsessed when I paired them together because it was really just luck of the draw. I just saw these two things. I was like, I want it to match. I want it to look like a two-piece set. And it totally does in my opinion. So I'm obsessed. Next, I got the Jessie top in beige. Again, a high neck. I really love this. It is a fitted top, cinches at the waist. The fabric is like, no, obviously it's not an athletic top, but the fabric, I never know quite how to describe it. In my head, I'm thinking an athletic feel like to the fabric, but it cinches at the waist, which again accentuates the curves. And I really love the asymmetrical detailing at the bottom. As you can see, this side's shorter, longer on this side. It's not too noticeable, and if you really wanted to, you could hike it up so that it'd match, but I think the fact that it is asymmetrical really pulls the top together, makes it so much more interesting to look at. A must have for me this fall. I love the muted tone, the color. I believe it comes in another color, but I just totally wanted the beige. I don't have much of this color and I was a little nervous about it. This is another top that would be great for a work environment, more of a professional or corporate place, but you could also dress it down like going out with like a little mini skirt, and it is just so flattering. Love the way it hugs your body, and I absolutely love this top. Another must from me. Next, I got the Harmony knit sweater in beige. I have quite a few sweaters, and if you are in a place that's warm like me, I'm in California, it is still so warm, but I'm just so excited for fall, and once it cools down that I had to already get excited and get this sweater for myself. I saw it had amazing reviews, very popular item, especially this shade, so I wanted to try it out. I feel like a lot of my current sweaters are either too bulky and like heavy or too cropped, so this was perfect. I think that this would be really cute with layering, almost in that like old preppy style. You could put like a collared top underneath, pair with a mini skirt tights. I know that's like giving maybe like 2012 Tumblr, but I just think that is such a cute style. But there's again so many different ways to wear it. You could wear it with like baggier jeans. Like I feel like low-rise baggy jeans with this and some booties would be really cute. A scarf, like a thick chunky scarf, once it's cold out. It's like 90 degrees here still, but I absolutely love this top, and I think it is just such a cute piece, oversized, and can really help make an outfit more casual, keep you warmer, and another great piece. The beige and the black, the muted tones, are perfect for fall, but also so ideal for a capsule wardrobe. It's not necessarily minimalistic, but it goes with everything, and it makes it so much easier to pair things, because I found that for me, especially in the past, I love bright colors. I still do, but I love a lot of colorful items, and in the long run, it makes it like it might be cute for a specific event or a one-time thing, but it's harder to pair and to actually get more use out of. So I really love this. The Strutter strapless top in burgundy, and I think it is the classiest modern take on the tube top. I don't know about you, but when I was in the end of middle school, tube tops were the thing. And although I still think they're so cute to pair with certain things, I have been really loving the look of longer tube tops with like a low-rise long skirt, and I think this top is absolutely perfect. One of my roommates had this top, and I remember wearing it out and I just loved it. I decided like I needed to get this top because it is an absolute must-have. The color is so beautiful. They have it in some other colors. There's these slits on the sides, which I love, and it is just a full-length top. Perfect for going out, such a flattering piece, and amazing for this upcoming fall. Last but not least, I got the Lex top in black. It is just a simple, cute t-shirt, very fitted, very flattering. I upsized because I have really just been wanting less crop tops. I keep seeing this like meme on TikTok that's like, when you feel your frontal lobe developing. And I wouldn't go as far as to say I'm quite there yet, but I definitely have been leaning towards longer tops. Love me my mini skirts. Pairing those with longer tops, I don't know, it's just slowly I've been really into that. So I upsized because I think it is still such a flattering top. And I saw one of the reviews said it was an amazing top if you want to wear low-rise jeans and like a little basic t-shirt that's like fits perfectly with the low-rise jeans. And I upsized because then I can, like, if I do want it to be a little shorter, I can always just kind of like scrunch it up. But for the most part, it fits actually perfectly. Like, I am obsessed with this top. I want it in every color and I actually love it. There's like a little fur ball on it. Those are my musts. I think they are perfect for this upcoming fall when the weather gets colder. You can always dress it up with a jacket. If you're in a warmer place with me, you won't even need that. There's so many different ways to pair these. Again, such a versatile pieces. That is my go-to for my wardrobe lately, and I absolutely love it. All of the products will be linked in the description down below, so make sure to check them out when you are browsing through adding some things to your shopping cart. And again, make sure to use my discount code. That is ADLIN20, ADLIN20. I love you all, and I will see you all in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.